Hello and welcome to the Trade Setup. In this video we are looking at BBAI. An update was requested, probably based on the fact that we opened the daily chart, the daily candle, 30% below yesterday's close, which is quite deep. Yeah, it's the earnings weren't that great, turns out, but overall it isn't too much outside of what we were expecting in terms of support. And on the larger time frame, to start with that one first, we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and we are tracking a third wave to the upside of some sorts. Now keep in mind we are overall in a downtrend in the larger time frame, and we need to make a new all-time high to actually invalidate this 1-2 setup that we could be tracking instead. So yeah, there is still a risk that we head to new all-time lows into the third wave to the downside until we actually break above $16 level. Now in this third wave to the upside, I have to point out that at best this movement is another wave 1 to the upside. I cannot count this movement as an actual third wave up. At best I could count it as an ABC in a wave 3, but that would be in an overall larger wave 1, and it cannot be a third wave to the upside because it is not an impulsive third wave, and the third wave is always an impulse. So no impulse, no third wave in this case. So yeah, we could either be tracking in this larger third wave to the upside an ABC, and then we could in the end still form a 5-wave move, but it would be within an ABC pattern in each of these 5 subwaves, and then we could track a correction to the downside in 3 waves, and then we would expect an impulse to the upside in the larger third wave. Now the AI stock market is still quite young, still in development, and there is a lot of speculation in this space, and for now we actually did break the support zone, but only briefly. It got bought up instantly when the market opened, and I would say it is not even necessarily invalidated. We could overall still be tracking here an impulse to the upside, but to be honest, I kind of much rather prefer that we are in some sort of a diagonal, either in a wave C, an ending diagonal, or a leading diagonal in another 1-2 setup, because that would give us another chance to start fresh in a strong third wave to the upside to new all-time highs. Now, even if I could still consider this support zone valid and active, I would like to point out that it is possible that this third wave actually completed here, and we had probably a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a very small unusual wave 4 here that ended the pattern instead, and we could be looking at a larger wave 1 up, wave 2 down, third wave up, fourth down, and then still to look for the fifth wave to the upside. Now a support zone that we would expect to hold for such a fifth wave to the upside would be, in this case, down to around $4.50 level at the 61.8% retracement, and I would rather track this support zone from now on, because even though it is not necessarily invalidated and we may still continue the movement to the upside, to be honest, it doesn't look too great. Like we have this wave 1 and then this wave 2 and then have this for a wave 4. I would much rather take this 3-4 pattern than this wave 4 in pair with this wave 2, to be honest. So overall, I would say that we are still fine to continue the upside, but if not, this could have been either a smaller 1-2 setup based on the larger time frame in this 1-2, or it could really be just an ABC, and we could still head lower. We are, after all, right above support zone for this 1-2 setup or an AB setup, and overall I am not too bullish on the overall price structure of this chart, but in terms of support we do have quite a leeway to take to be at least in some peace of mind that there is potential on this chart. But for now, let's assume that this wave 4, or sorry, not this wave 4, but this wave 4 completed. I would much rather prefer discount now, to be honest. And we could be looking for a fifth wave to the upside with a target, if we don't make a new low in the wave 4, a target of $10.70. So for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover. And I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.